How to upload full-size photos on Instagram without cropping using your iPhone 8 Plus. If Instagram keeps zooming in or cutting off parts of your picture, this quick trick will help you post the entire photo. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap the plus icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Now, select the photo you want to upload from your Photos library. If the image appears cropped, look for the expand icon with two outward-facing arrows in the lower left corner of the photo preview. Tap this icon once. Instagram will automatically adjust the image to its original aspect ratio, allowing more of your photo to appear without cropping. You can also use the pinch gesture with two fingers to zoom in or out until the photo fits the way you want. Once you're happy with the preview, tap Next. Here, you can apply a filter or tap Edit to adjust settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, structure, warmth, highlights, and shadows if you'd like. Tap Next again. Now, add a caption, tag people, add a location, or include music if those options are available on your account. Finally, tap Share in the bottom. Your photo will be uploaded using its original aspect ratio, instead of being cropped into a square. Keep in mind that Instagram supports different photo sizes, but portrait photos with a 4:5 aspect ratio usually take up the most screen space in the feed, while keeping your image looking sharp. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a full-size photo on Instagram without cropping. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.